Hello, counselors, school psychologists, teachers, and principals. Are you looking for help with your students on your playground, getting along with each other, learning the rules of the playground, resolving conflicts, and learning the rules on just how to make friends and what not to do on the slides? Then I'd like you to check out the Recess Matters curriculum. It's found in Counseling Fanny Pack of Fun. It's a 3-week curriculum that's full of lots of videos, as well as 2 social stories and little mini quizzes to help make sure that students are really learning the skills that the curriculum is teaching. In week 1, students will learn skills such as how to walk in line and get in line, how to take turns, personal space, playground safety. So, maybe not jumping off the swings or letting go of the monkey bars if somebody's underneath on purpose. Definitely no hitting, and just the general rules for how we get in line, how we stand in line. We don't push, we don't touch others, we don't cut, things like that. In week 2, students are going to learn about initiating play, sharing and taking turns. And there's also a social story coloring book that goes along with the videos for sharing and taking turns. Being responsible, such as cleaning up after ourselves, putting the balls away. And then they're also going to learn a variety of rules to a few different games that are really typical games that kids play on the playground, such as handball, tag, hopscotch, foursquare, and tetherball. And that's just week 2. In week 3, they're going to learn several other games. So some of the things that they're going to learn in week 3 include cooperative play. So maybe building something like a block tower together with others, how to take turns with doing that. Rules for swinging, how to wait your turn and then take turns on the swings, and pretend play. Week 3 also covers sportsmanship, and there is a social story coloring book right here that goes along with learning about sportsmanship. And last but not least, conflict resolution. So there's some different videos. If this sounds like something easy and that will be helpful to you and your school, it's available in my store in Counseling Fanny Pack of Fun, and it's called Recess Matters. Okay, thanks for watching.